Morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Hopefully, our high school students had an opportunity to have a good Sunday's worth of rest after a long Saturday evening of prom. And hopefully, everybody got to enjoy a 3-day weekend. I know the middle school students had to be here for quite a while on Friday for their music festival, but it was a well attended, well ran event, and we're super excited by the performances of our students there. Last week, our Monday mission was to think before you say. As been our theme a lot of times throughout the course of the year, our words have an effect on others, and that effect can be positive or negative. So we need to make sure that we're thoughtful in our words and what we want them to mean before we say them. Oftentimes we say things and we wish we could have those back. Um, but you just need to be more conscious of the words that you're going to say moving forward. Last week, we had two students of the week. Congratulations to Lexi Sines and Cameron Luke for being nominated and selected. Great job, and we look forward to picking out a few more students of the week this week. This week's Monday mission is taking ownership in the things we do or say. Mistakes and accidents are part of life. However, we can ever grow as people and learn from those mistakes or accidents if we don't ever take ownership in them. If we simply blame others and not accept responsibility for what happened, we're doomed to make the same mistake time and time again. Being a human being is all about learning from those mistakes that you've made. So if you make a mistake and you don't ever grow from that or learn from that, you're just going to be doomed to have that same mistake over and over again, and that's not very productive. That actually becomes a turnoff to other people. That's kind of what separates you away from other people because they don't want to be around that person that makes that mistake over and over again. So make sure to be thoughtful, mindful of what's happened. Take ownership instead of deflecting that blame at other people, pointing the finger at other people, and try to do your best to learn from that and not make that mistake moving forward. Well, kind of going back to our theme, even kind of what we did last week with things, being mindful of what we say, is when you make a mistake and it affects somebody else, apologize for that and be sincere in your apology. Take time to evaluate why the mistake was made and what steps you need to do to eliminate that mistake moving forward. If we never take time to analyze it, we're gonna make that mistake over and over again. So be mindful. It's part of growing up. Everybody does it. It doesn't matter if you're 8 or 80. You're gonna make that mistake over and over again if you don't learn from it. So be mindful, think about it, and grow from that mistake. April's Trojan Way focus is it's rude, mean, or bullying. Trojan Way Tuesday, we're going to have a video about rude, mean, or bullying. So teachers have that link, and hopefully we get that all showed to everybody. It kind of really goes along with what we're trying to talk about with the difference between the three, and having an understanding and a consistent language about what that means. So hopefully everybody has a great week. Should go by pretty quick as we have a ton of activities and everybody's going to be involved in a ton of different things moving forward. So let's have a great week and go Trojans.